𝗙𝗵𝗶𝗴 from Finesse Art, Ahmedabad. We are into sculptures manufacturing, customized art pieces manufacturing, and I would like to thanks 𝗙𝗏𝗏 and 𝗙𝗏Tech, both the companies, because I bought one laser cutting machine from 𝗙𝗏𝗏, and we have bought that machine in March 2025, and since last 8-9 months we are using this machine for our internal processes and products manufacturing, and it has given us a very good result, and we have increased our manufacturing capacity like anything with the help of this laser machine. So as far as 𝗙𝗏𝗏 is concerned, so 𝗙𝗏𝗏's after sales service and everything is excellent. I'll always recommend 𝗙𝗏𝗏 to anyone who is interested to opt for the laser. It has delivered whatever was promised and expected out of laser machine. So thanks.